YouTube channel or blog. Monetized or not, you've probably heard of Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that allows creators to earn a substantial income by providing exclusive content and perks to their subscribers. But maybe you think it's too early or you don't have the time to create that extra content. Well, let's think again. I'm here to show you 2 easy Patreon tiers that you can set up and you can start earning cash right now, no matter what subject area or niche your channel or blog is about. So first up, let's have a look at a zero maintenance tier. This is purely a donation. Your patrons subscribe just to support you because they love what you do. Trust me, this works. On my own Patreon, this is my top tier. People love to give back when your content connects with them. You might wonder, well, why would anyone give me money? If your content helps, entertains, or resonates with that someone, they'll want to support you. I've had people actively try to find a way to give me money. Your second tier requires minimum effort, and all you have to do is, rather than create your content and push it out on that same day, you hold off and release it early to patrons. And later on, you can release it to the public. But why would someone subscribe to this tier? Exclusive access is a big deal. Who doesn't love being part of an exclusive club? Plus you can enhance that experience while offering ad-free content. It's as simple as turning monetization off until you release to the public. If this is an exclusive showing, patrons will know that they have a better chance of their comments being seen by yourself. So there you have it, 2 easy Patreon tiers that you can set up and start making money straight away. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the future.